It's a very special thing with me in headbands, man. Because see, you need the right head. First of all, you need the right headband, you know. Because it's very important. Because the color can change your mood, you know, how you act. And most of all,
this one's quite nice.
I like this one.
Okay.
Most of all, man, headbands help me, you know, become a doper. Okay, so what I do, I put a headband on. Okay? And what it does, it stops the circulation of the blood to the brain. Okay? And so then the brain sort of dies a little bit, you know, not too much. It depends on how stupid you want to be. And I'm too stupid. Loosen it up. You got to control the flow of the blood very carefully, you know, because if you get too stupid, you know, you're just useless. So you got to stay sort of semi in between stupid and dumb. And that's what headbands do, see? And it helps you act. Because you notice, man, if you ever talk to anybody who wears a headband, they're usually pretty stupid.